Hey guys, TJ here, back with another video. If you guys already don't know, I was recently featured by H&M on their Instagram handle and other social media platforms, and they were kind enough to send me a bunch of their products from their new spring and summer collection. So it was all about unboxing that pieces that they sent me, and I'll leave the link to that post on H&M's page up here somewhere. Make sure you check that out, leave a comment there, like it, make sure you follow me on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So the first thing we got is this envelope, cute little note from H&M's, a VIP gift card. Here, so the first piece we got is this linen striped shirt with a band collar. Linen is something that you need in your wardrobe. It's a summer staple. Second piece we got here are these drawstring brown trousers. So I love H&M trousers, to be very honest. I've never find anything that fits me so good, so perfectly off the rack. But H&M trousers, they are like cherry on the cake, right? I don't have to get them tailored or something like that, and I'm excited to try this because I don't have this color in my wardrobe, and this is more of a summer casual kind of vibe, right? You can still dress them up if you want to, if you can carry that look, but yeah, I'm excited to try this. Okay, next we got is another half sleeves printed shirt. It's a cheetah on a shirt. Let's see. Okay, next up we got a beige pair of shorts, more of a beach. You wear them casually, you definitely need a pair of shorts in summer, I think. Next up we got is this amazing Keith Haring and H&M collab shirt. There's a pair of shorts that also come with the same print, and if you want to make it a set, I would love that. I might get those shorts just to make it a set, and or even you can wear them as separates, right? You don't have to wear them together. But I think this is something I'm interested to try, and I'm always up there experimenting with my style and my clothes. And also guys, I'll leave all the links to these items below in the description, and you may not find some of the colors depending on where are you shopping from, which country you're in, right? But I'll try to leave most of these links in the description below. Make sure you check these pieces on H&M's website. Okay, next up we got is another pair of shorts. So these are more of a cotton chino shorts, like for a brunch or something. Pair them with a nice pair of a button down, tuck it in, and I think you're good to go. Next up we got is another pair of linen shirt with like ripped black denims, and leave it untucked, right? Excited for this. What we got next? Okay, next up we have is this off-white cream hoodie. Not specifically a summer essential, but I would say a spring essential, because it might get a bit windy and chilly in the evenings or early mornings or something like that, right? Depending on where you're living too. So, but I think you definitely need a cotton or lightweight hoodie in your wardrobe during spring and summer season, and I think a versatile color like this is a way to go. Next up we got is a pair of denim shorts. I'll probably style this up with this linen shirt, right? Going out with friends. Next up we got is a lilac or purple, whatever you like to call it. I call it purple. It's a purple basic tee. I'm always looking out for like a solid color t-shirts. We got is a beige pair of jogger shorts. Another essential to add in your wardrobe. I think I would style these white hoodie that we saw earlier, like this one, right? Last one we got is this weaved t-shirt. It's got a little pocket detail up here. I love the texture of it. I love how it's not too heavy. It's very lightweight, and I like the color too. So coming down to the footwear, three pieces. The first one is the printed pair of sneakers, and a little bit off from my style. I wouldn't go for the printed sneakers the first thing, but I'm excited again. I love to experiment. I love to try new things around. I'm excited to try this too. So let's see. Watch out how I'm gonna style this. Okay, so the second piece we got is this high top canvas white sneakers. I love this. I think it's essential no matter summer, winter. I think a white pair of sneakers is essential, and I was looking for a high tops for quite a long. I couldn't find them in my size, but I'm glad I got these now, and I'm excited to try these too. Okay, the last piece we got are these flip-flops, slippers, flip-flops, what do we call them? I saw these on their website, and I couldn't find them in my size at that time, but I'm glad that they sent me this. So they are like these roped kind of slippers. They're very comfortable. They feel very comfortable to step in, and I love the design. They're very not so usual slippers, right? Wear them on beach, wear them on pool and everything. Okay, so that's it, guys. I think we got like about 14 to 15 pairs, including shoes and slippers. I'm excited to try all of these. Again, I'll leave all the links to these items or similar to these items in the description below. Make sure you check it out. And make sure you look for the next video. I'll be styling all these coming up after this. I'll be styling all these pieces, including the footwear and more pieces from H&M's spring summer collection. And again, link to that post I was featured in up here somewhere. Link to all the pieces in the description below. My Instagram handle is in the description. Make sure you check me out on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Leave your comments there. And this video too, leave your comments. What would you like to see more of? And yeah, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. And make sure you keep safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Cheers.